Now you can see flashcards here, 0 questions solved. This is called as time. Now if you want to start practicing flashcards, what you should do is initially all the buttons will be disabled and only one settings button will be enabled. So click on that. If you open settings, you can see all these options. So what you should do is, if you want to practice, this is number of times, number of questions you want to practice. If you want to practice only one question, enter 1 here. Number of digits is, I think you know it. So 1 is 1 digit number, 12 is a 2 digit number, 123 is a 3 digit number. Now we will do 2 digit. Number of rows means how many times the numbers will be flashing. For example, 2 digit 3 rows means uh, 11 plus 12 plus 13 is 2 digit 3 rows. If it is 2 digit 5 rows, 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14, so it is 2 digit 5 rows. Now if you want to practice, let's say we'll do only small one, 3 rows, so enter 3 here. What is the speed? You can see something called as speed. For example, if we said 1001, initially by default it is 1001. So what does this mean? Each number will be flashing after 1 second. So this is approximately same as 1 second. 1000 milliseconds, you can see ms is milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is equals to 1 second. So 2 digit 3 rows means 3 numbers will be flashing after 1 second. Now enter your name, whatever your name is. If you want to include subtractions, there is an option, check this box. Display stopwatches. If you want to display stopwatch, you can see one stopwatch here. If you want to display that, just click this box. So each and every time when you open settings, you need to enter the number of questions again. Rest all the settings will be same. So you need to enter 1 here and display stopwatch. Yes, enter answers at the end. I'll talk about this after some time. Dictations also I'll talk about it. Include decimals. If you want to practice, you can check this box, select decimal type. So what is this type? You can see 3 options: 12.3, 1.23, 0.123. What does this mean? 12.3 is one number after the decimal point. 1.23 is two numbers after the decimal point. 0.123 is three numbers after the decimal point. So I'll show some of them. For now we'll do without decimals. Select font size. All this I'll be explaining one after the other.